Wewe kusapta James. Thank you so much. Let us see. That's the fish, guys. That's fishing. At the fishing place. Wow. Utamwaga chini ama itapotea? Itapotea? Itapotea yote? Wewe ni mwerevu. Are gure ngo? So guys, along the railway line, that's looks like, let me zoom, it looks like a quarry. You can see it. Wow, let me show this big structure. Somebody's working hard here. Let's appreciate the effort. Wonderful. I zoomed it 2 times to 2x. So this is actually an African village setting. Some pretty land in the horizon. So at the back is Eldoret town, and the next town this line will stop is called Nakuru. Yeah, look at the expanse of this area. Let me stand in this line. It's the railway line. Look at the expanse. Like in each tracks of land, that's a homestead. Some machinery, some small steel. What do you call this? Ukulugam trees. Here, up the other side. It's a Sunday afternoon and it's very, very sunny. We'll go up there and see something. Sasa, I don't know whether we can start from the top or the bottom. Tuende juu kwanza alafu tushuke chini. Oh, tuanzie chini. Oh. Okay. So you're saying you should film me. Yeah. So yeah, sibi recorded en ngunya James. Sibi recorded en ngunya. Si recorded na ngunya eh. Nasema sibi recorded na hapo. Yeah, I'm telling him to record me down there. Local language will make this video so beautiful because I explain in English what I say. It introduces variety in the video. So guys, look at the structure. I was telling you, and once we are up there, actually there are some people walking. And once we are up there, you'll be able to see the majestic landscape here. It actually looks simple down here, but once we are up there, things are different. Somebody is resting here with a kid. Another one is bike there. I think he was washing with this water. Yeah. So guys, this is it. It's the same river. I filmed down there as I came, and as you know, it's now a bit dry season, so the water is not that much clear. You can see how those structures look like. So look at how the structures look like, guys. So actually this kids are from fishing. Let us see the fish. Yes, hiyo samaki. Mnatega na hiyo? Abandoned structure here. I think it had some purpose. Looks like it could have been a drainage, something of the sort. I'm asking them there. There's this bride. Look how beautiful the creatures are, guys. Sio ni kawaida ya hapa. They are from fishing. These guys are really hard working. Wow. Sasa mnarudisha hapo kwa mkebe. Na si hata hii maji umechota hata ni safi kidogo. Mnateganga samaki saa ile mmojaenda shule si ndio? Whenever they are out of school, they fish. Kill the small fish. It looks like tilapia. Hii inaitwa tilapia? Kwa English. Inakaa ni small fish lakini jina yake kabisa ni tilapia. Inafanana. Maybe sio hiyo lakini inafanana. Hey, kazi mzuri. That's the fishing net. And look at how boys are really hardworking. Mnatoka hapa karibu? Mnatoka hapa karibu? Oh. Sawa. Mwende nyumbani sasa. Hakuna shida. Msikuwe na wasiwasi. Huyu ni Brian alafu huyu mwingine ni Koske. Oh, kuruna Koske yake ne. Sawa? Anamea amini. Anamea ni. So some guys are resting in the trees in the mountain, the rocks there. And look at how beautiful this thing is. We'll go up there and you'll be able to see, to witness a majestic structure from out there, guys. So I don't. Tutarudi nyuma. Yeah, it's actually very dry season as you can see. There's not much water. Whenever it's dry, water it always passes that side and then it meets this one here. I have a co upstream, downstream. Hello, me iPhone. I drive with Jemos. The life of 100,000. iPhone 100,000. Yeah, expensive. Yeah, so guys, we are just joking here a little bit with some local language. You can be able to experience the variety also, as I will be translating. So we shall, one on one, we shall go up there. Let us see. That's the fish, guys. That's fishing. At the fishing there. Wow. Utamwaga chini ama itapotea? Itapotea? Itapotea yote? Yeah, wewe ni mwerevu. Are you going to go? I can't get there. That's where the railway line goes to. And one thing that is so amazing here, one thing that's so amazing here is the one that these structures were constructed by the colonialists, and they are still strong up to date. You can see. Look how strong they are. Actually, they look somehow rustic, but they look very strong, right? And they look like they were blocks that were piled upwards. So you can see just from the other end, or to the other end, slowly up to the other end. Yeah, go slowly up to the other end. Yeah, that. Show them the nature here. How beautiful it is. It's breathtaking actually. And here are some water, as you can see here. Just flowing down. People can here relax. Show them like this lady. Yes, she's listening to music. She has put aside her shoes and her footwear, and she's just using the water, relaxing. And we just found her here. And that's how it is. That's the state of things. And people just use that one as a bath, as a food bath, crossing from one place to the other. So guys, slowly we'll walk up and see for ourselves the place. You can see the rocks on the other yeah, extended stones just beneath the soils in this area. Yeah, look at them. And look at those people, they use water for cleaning. Actually, they are doing cleanliness. And later on, they will wash their bodies and then they go home. So that's just natural. That's natural life here. So we will climb up slowly, guys. Through this route. Let me see if this one is passable. Actually, it's passable. So just go slowly, step by slowly. Just be careful. And we are just going to witness the view from the up there and how people are crossing there. Yeah, and also the nature down. Actually, this place is very slippery. You need to go move very slowly. And yeah, watching a little bit up at you. Watching. So let's go. This one looks this route looks really steep, guys. So we just go this way. Is it possible?
It is.
Unaweza pita vile hivi. Wow. Look at where you come from, guys. How the place is. It is really wonderful. What do you say? Like, I like the place. It's so steep. So we were down there. So we were down there, guys. Look at the place. Look at the site. Look at those people relaxing there. And then we just went this way down and then we just came up. So you can see the nature. It's actually very. It's actually, so you can imagine a train passing through here without having cargo. Like it's just those people play very well because there's a lot of risk. Look down there, guys. The project that I showed you about most people just also there are tourists around here. Some are saying they can never pass. And at the moment that the clearing crews are just down there, as you can see. And we just came from down there. It's so far. It's actually far down there. Wow. Wow. It's a beautiful landscape at the same time. So this lady has decided to go through this nature. And I think it's almost 3 p.m. Something almost 3 p.m. Yeah, and from here, all there's waterfall around here. Yeah, so this area is when you come there, the centers are and you'll be able to be directed here. You just say where the railway goes through, and the lady has tried there. Together. Look at this. Look down there, it's so deep. It's really deep. Wow. Wewe kusafta James. Thank you so much. Wow, I finally made it. It looks simple, but it takes a lot of courage to go through that place. And actually, there are some landscapes like this. And yeah, we're here to show the possible we can. So, so there's a residential areas and landscapes there. Hey, it was really amazing. So you can see how old some metals can be. And these are people actually go through here, down there. Like the route I used up there. You can see some children there, they are used to this thing. They're actually used to this. Yeah. So thank you guys. I've showed you something today. If you've enjoyed the video, let me kindly comment, subscribe. I read all comments. I'll answer everything. Whatever you liked, thank you so much. If you didn't like something, I'll be happy to see the comments and I will correct where possible. So that is it, guys, for today. Welcome so much. I appreciate your support and efforts. And let's work together. Thank you so much. See you. See you. See you. Pick up.